In this last lesson in this chapter, let's look at actually a new feature in the Actions panel. Start by opening up something brand new. Let's not use an exercise file. File New. And just pick a place you can play, click OK. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and click here for Action. One of the new features, if you go up to this button here for Options, is Allow Tool Recording. And go ahead and select that. Now, create an action. Click New. Let's go ahead and put this inside of the Egypt folder that we created earlier. Let's call it Brush. Go ahead and click Record. Now it's waiting for us to do things. Let's start by selecting a brush. I'm going to come up here, click this button, and let's choose something like, this one right over here. We're going to change the hardness a little bit to about 90, and let's change the size to, and let's do it up here, it'd be easier. I'm going to type in, say, 4. Okay, so it tells you what we did. We're setting the current brush. Let's change our colors to black and white by clicking this button here. Now, come over and draw something. Let's change color. It's the sun, okay? And we could even do this. Let's change color again. And the sun has got its hat on. Let's go ahead and close that out before I get too stupid here. If we do a Control-A and a delete, and we come back in, and there it is. If you come over and select it, watch what happens when we click the play button. I'm not saying you're going to do what I just did. That's not the point. I do signatures. I do certain little kind of caricatures that I want to use over and over again. In previous to version 6, you couldn't do that. But now we can actually record tools as we use them in an action. On to the next.